Hey, real quick, I'm going to show you my simple 3-step workflow I use to get my audio ready for videos when I'm editing in Movavi. Now, in an effort to keep this video short and to the point, I've already recorded some audio, uploaded the file to my computer, and dropped it into the timeline right here. Now, first, in the Tools menu, I'll click on the Audio tab, then go to Noise Removal and select Default. Next, I'll grab this suppression slider here and lower it all the way down to around 5%. For me, this is just enough to remove small background sounds like my computer humming, but keeps my voice sounding natural. If you have background noise on the louder side, you might need to increase this a little more, but don't overdo it, because too much will make your voice sound muffled or robotic. The next step, while I'm still in the Audio tab, I'm now going to get rid of all the gaps and pauses in my recording by clicking Silence Removal, selecting Manual, and then I'll just begin adjusting these 3 sliders. Now, I want to help you understand what each of these adjustments do, so I'm just going to go over them real quick. Oh, and the nice thing is, once you figure out what works for your audio, you can pretty much use those same settings every time. Okay, so the first one here is volume threshold. This just means how quiet a sound has to be before Movavi cuts it out. I use -26 dB, but you might need to tweak it depending on your mic and how loud you record. Next is duration. This tells Movavi how long something has to stay quiet before it counts as a silence and gets cut out. I like to set mine to 0.1 seconds. As you know, I talk pretty fast though, so if you prefer a slower pace, you might want to bump that up a bit. Then the last slider is delay. This controls how much padding Movavi leaves before and after each cut. I keep mine at 0.06 seconds. That's just enough to keep it from clipping off the ends of my words. Now down here, you can choose to remove with caps or without. Both options will still cut your audio based on the settings you chose in the sliders above. So if you pick without gaps, Movavi removes all the silent parts and pulls everything together into one clean track. And if you pick with gaps, it just leaves silent spots in place so you can adjust and delete them yourself. Now that everything's all cut up and easy to see in the timeline, I just listen through my audio and delete any bad takes or parts I don't want. Then I play it back to make sure it all sounds the way I like. And once that's done, I've got a clean audio track that's ready for B-roll or anything else I want to add. And that's it. Those are the 3 steps I use to get my audio ready. I hope this helps you save a little time while you're editing. And if you've made it this far, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, and as always, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments because I'm always happy to help.